Error 9001 in League of Legends is an authentication error, meaning the game client can't verify your login credentials or establish a secure connection with Riot's servers. You might see messages like authentication failed or just the error code itself. This isn't usually account specific and can happen even with verified accounts if there are connectivity issues. Key factors causing this include problems on the user side, such as an outdated client, firewall restrictions, or VPN interference. And also server-side issues like DDoS attacks or maintenance. In short, it's a login problem, preventing you from even getting into the game. First, ensure your internet connection is stable, ideally above 5 Mbps. Update your League of Legends client to the latest version. Check your firewall settings to ensure LOL isn't being blocked. Temporarily disable any VPNs, as they can sometimes interfere with the authentication process. Riot's Hextech repair tool can also automatically fix common client issues. If the problem persists, check Riot's server status page to see if there are any known outages or maintenance periods. While not a crisis, 95% of cases are self-fixable via these basic steps, so try them first.